All right, so number 16, finding the domain. So domain just means what numbers are possible for x. On a normal function, like kind of the default is x can be anything. So if I took a really simple function like x times, no, maybe like 7 times x, there the domain would be all real numbers, right? Because you can take any number and multiply it by 7, right? So on a division one, the issue is you can't have 0 in the denominator, right? If our denominator is 0 here, you try doing 1 divided by 0, it'll just give you an error. So really our domain is going to be everything except when the denominator is 0, right? So we really have to figure out when does this expression in the denominator come out to be 0, right? So it becomes an equation to solve, which you could use quad formula or graph method or whatever. I would recommend just factoring, right? So to find out when that equals 0, we can put x and x here, right? And multiply to positive 4 and add up to negative 5. So we can use two negatives there, negative 4, negative 1, right? And then to make it equal 0, just set either part to 0. Okay, and so your answers are x equals 1, x equals 4. Okay, so our domain is everything except those numbers. So it's all real numbers except that, because those numbers make a 0 in the denominator, and then we have a divide by 0 error. Okay, thank you for watching.